Hello, Halli, hello. What's up? So I am driving. I'm running a little bit late because I had to turn back for my house keys. But I'm on my way and I need to breathe. Oh, that sun though. Oh, I'm not even close to being prepared for leaving or going or whatever, and that reason is because I had to jump straight out of work and kind of get dressed. Well, I had to undo my hair to do it again because it was looking like a mess, but I just undid it and I have a comb in it. So I was like, no, I can't make these people late. Firstly, I'm the one who asked to tag along, and then I'm the one who makes them late, like you. So I just decided, since I'm not driving, then I'll do it in the car. But yeah, I'm on my way to my sister's place, dropping off my car. Then we're gonna go together to a different branch for our church. My sister's husband is, I almost said he's getting married. Why did I? Anyway, my sister's husband, I think it's because I was thinking my sister's married to a pastor. What does they say? My sister's husband is preaching, at the different branch of church, so we're just going with them. He's a pastor. In case that wasn't really clear, yeah. I almost freaked out. I thought I forgot my camera, but I'm recording with it. How silly. So I'm here at my sister's place, and Nonku, as always, is...
Why aren't you taking pictures? I'm not going to take videos.
My sister got new couches. Just step away. Show me.
Give me that.
You got new couches. No, I didn't show. I just showed your inside. I didn't show anything else or say anything else.
Just show my sister.
Really? So people are gonna tell where you live from the couches? Oh, okay. She doesn't have new couches. This is not her house.
I don't have a sister, I have a brother.
I don't have a sister. Nonku looks nice, and I came here in overalls, so I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I got the wrong memo. Everybody looks so glam, bruh.
Do I look glam?
Yes,
amazwi owakhulumayo kuba yi-command. Mawukhuluma emoyeni bakuthatha lokho njengokuthi wena soyayala. Emoyeni akukho ama-statement afana njengo-if. Akunamhlawumbe. Kuthathwa umoya ethi kuyindawo lana ready for action. Into ishoyo yenziwe. Wena modla emhlabeni mhlawumbe ngiyafa, emoyeni kuthiwa uyafa. Ngoba uthatha isiyalo senkosi esemhlabeni bewonkulunkulu. So umoya ulungile, uvula indlebe ukuzwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu bathini ukuthi siyenze.
Tomorrow. Afternoon. Why am I talking with the rhythm? Good afternoon. It's a Saturday afternoon, Saturday the 20. Hold up. Saturday the 20. What's the date today? Oh,
Saturday afternoon. All morning I've been busy catching up on work, editing pictures, and now I'm going to worship team practice as usual, as per my usual schedule. Doesn't matter. So I'm on my way there. I'm very, very hungry because, oh my gosh, okay, I'm sounding really random and not making any sense, but I'm very hungry because I woke up and I just worked. I didn't do anything, and then when I was done, I like swept up and stuff, and then took a bath and bolted. And now I'm thinking, okay, it's fine, I'll get something on the go. And KFC's line is like the Nile. Oh my gosh, no, I don't know, can I make it? I just not eat. I mean, would I die? Would I really die? I'm so hungry. I'm home now. Well, I didn't get to, well, I did. I had practice, but I'm so tired. Like, I've had such a long week, sleepless nights, and my laptop is grinding in the background over there. It looks cluttered, but I'll sort it out. Anyway, oh, this is my, oh, did I show those socks? Did I show those socks that are on the floor? I moved rooms. That's why there's like stuff in the corner there. The curtains are a mess because they're not even mine. And then there's everything else that used to be in my room before. So I'm still moving myself. I need it. And my niece's press stickers on the wardrobe. Good background. I needed space, and this room has more space, and since my sister's not here most of the time, then I thought, yeah, my lipstick is gone. What's new? I'm just too pushed for this. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm not always tired of my vlogs if this is the first one you watch. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you were watching this, if you got this far, I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, your evening, your weekend, your week, depending on when you watch this. Good night.